I'm going to be honest with you. There's so much hype out there right now. Everyone's an AI expert. Everyone's got a take. Here's my background. I spent the past few years building AI systems. Started hands-on, developing AI strategy for a SaaS company I led in the Salesforce DevOps space, essentially transitioning the platform to AI first. But more recently, I joined a team at AI Fund, where we are building Olakai-ai, giving me an opportunity to be in the trenches with real enterprise AI deployments, agentic AI, assistive AI, the full stack. I'm not here to call myself an expert. I'm far from it. I'm here because I've seen what works and what doesn't. And I want to share so we can all get better together at this. I put it out a lot of content in the past few weeks. Talked about JP Morgan, ServiceNow, Walmart, how the big brands are doing AI at scale. And I got a lot of DMs. A lot of, this is great, Paul, but how do I actually do this? And that's a fair point. So I listened, I built a playbook, dropped it earlier last week, and it didn't go viral. And that's fine. Because here's the thing. The people who need it, they found it. And now I'm going to do something better than a PDF. Let's learn here from the experience. I'm going to walk you through it. And then over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to break down each piece so you can actually use it. Let's get into it. Okay, so the framework is 4 phases. I covered it pretty well in the past few weeks. And it's called see, measure, decide, act. Pretty simple, right? But here's what nobody talks about. The reason most AI projects fail isn't because tech doesn't work. It's because nobody asks the hard questions up front. Like, do you even know what AI tools your employees are using right now? Not what's licensed, what's actually being used. Do you know which of your agents are actually making money versus just running? Do you have a number, an actual number you can put in front of your CFO that proves this stuff works? If you hesitated on any of those, that's exactly why I built this. Let me give you the quick tour, and then I'll tell you what's coming ahead. Phase 1, C. This is about visibility. Full visibility, 360. Everything that's happening in your AI ecosystem in one place. I need to know that. For agentic AI, which agents are running? Who owns them? What decisions are they making? What's the ROI on each one? For assistive AI, what tools are your people actually using? And yes, this includes shadow AI. Your employees are using Claude, ChatGPT, Perplexity, tools you've never heard of. Not because they're just bad people. It's because they are trying to get work done. But C isn't just about catching shadow AI. It's about having control. Knowing what's happening across your entire AI landscape so you can actually manage it. You can't measure what you can see. You might have heard me saying that quite a few times in the past, but also you can't govern what you don't know exists. Episode 1 coming soon, we're going deep on this. How to actually get visibility across your whole AI ecosystem. Phase 2. And here's where I see teams get it wrong constantly. They track the easy stuff. Some measure adoption rates, number of prompts if possible. Some go after time saved, which is all cool. Those are table stakes, and it's great if you can get that proficiency as a bottom line. But when the CFO asks, should we double our AI budget? Those metrics don't answer the question. You need custom success KPIs, metrics that tie directly to business outcomes, revenue, conversion, actual dollars. I'll give you the framework for building these in episode 2. Because this is the difference between AI seems to be helping and AI generated hundreds of thousands in the last quarter, and here's the proof. Phase 3, decide. Hot take, if your AI pilot hasn't proven value in 30-45 days, kill it. And I'm serious, kill it. The companies actually winning at this aren't running 50 pilots hoping something sticks. They're running 5 initiatives that proved value fast and scaling those. Episode 3, I'll show you exactly how to structure a pilot that gives you a real answer in 45 days or less. Phase 4, act. This is where it gets fun. You have found something that works. Now, clone it. Sales team has a winning agent? Brilliant. Can customer success use it? Perhaps support? Document everything. Build the playbook for your organization. Make each deployment faster than the last. Episode 4 covers the scaling playbook, and this is key. How to have the CFO conversation and actually get budget approved. Okay, so here's what's happening. Starting this week, I'm dropping a 4-part series. 1 episode on each phase. Detailed, practical stuff I actually do with clients. First up, C, full visibility across your AI ecosystem. Then measure, building metrics that justify scaling. Then decide, the 30-45 day pilot framework. And finally, act, scaling and the CFO conversation. 4 episodes over the next couple of weeks, everything you need to actually prove AI ROI. And look, I'm not getting any of this. No email required, no webinar sign up, just the content. Because honestly, I'm building something here, and I would rather have a community of people who actually use this versus just a list of emails that never open my email to you. So if you are in the middle of one of these deployments right now, if you're trying to figure out how to prove AI value to your leadership, stick around. Playbook PDF is in the comments. DM me if you want the editable version, and drop a comment. Seriously, tell me which phase you're stuck on. I'll read all of them. I'll make sure the series covers what you actually need. We might do some poll later on as well, so let's go after it and let's learn and let's grow together. All right, see you in the next one. Cheers.